Hello again, my name's Gabe Zollner. Don't know if you caught Fox News last night, Megyn Kelly and Bill O'Reilly. Well, Megyn Kelly was talking about Obamacare. And as it turns out, and I've made a couple of videos on this, the back end of the software hasn't been written for Obamacare. Well, what the back end is supposed to do, it's supposed to provide information to the various healthcare providers as to what kind of subsidies the government will pay to ensure people that are expected to receive subsidies. Well, since that software was never written, obviously they can't do that. So what this administration has decided to do is they decided to guesstimate. You know what I mean? Yeah, they're going to guesstimate. And what they're going to do is they're going to give all the insurance providers a rather significant sum of money. I think in my previous videos I said probably in the tune of around $1 trillion among all of the providers. And then they're going to work it out later. Let me ask you a question. How many people do you know have ever given back money that they've received? I don't know of any. Yeah, so the government, us, the taxpayer, they're going to fund this Obamacare to try to prevent it from sinking. You know what I mean? His flagship accomplishment. It's a joke. It's a complete joke. O'Reilly had said that he expects Obama to go down with the ship. Charles Krauthammer pretty much said the same thing. The fact of the matter is that it really can't survive. It is so full of holes. As I stated in one of my other previous videos, it's like Swiss cheese, you know what I mean? You can't keep it afloat. And Obama, in his desperation, is doing anything and everything that he can to further to destroy our economy. You know, if let's say, for argument's sake, let's say they've signed up, I don't know, a couple of 100,000 people, 5 million have lost their insurance. Now, what do you think is going to happen in 2014 when the employee mandate kicks in? Well, the estimation is about 130 million people will lose their health care coverage. That's 130 million people out of what, 320 million people in America? Yeah. Can anyone even begin to comprehend the level of anxiety that this criminal, dysfunctional administration is imposing onto the American people? I can't. This is completely insane. Everybody in the know says it's gonna crash. And it'll probably crash mid-2014, well ahead of the 2014 midterm elections. Unbelievable. But hey, you know, Obamacare, his flagship accomplishment, I think it's ironic. Like a good captain, he should go down with the ship. And like a good captain, I believe he will go down with the ship. What do you think? I told you what I think.